In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to bend an object inside Blender using the simple Deform Modifier, kind of like this object here. With that being said, let's go ahead and delete the example object. Press Shift A to add a new one. We'll choose Mesh Cube, and then go to the Modifier tab and choose Add Modifier. Under Deform, we'll choose Simple Deform and choose Bend. Now you can choose the bend angle. I'll just pick something random. And then you can also choose which axis you want to bend on. Now you'll notice right away that there's an issue that the mesh is not actually bending, it's just deforming on the top and bottom. That's because simple deform relies on vertices to bend, and the simple cube here only has 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, nothing in the middle. So to fix that, go into edit mode by pressing tab, press Ctrl R to add some loop cuts, mouse wheel up to add those loop cuts, left click, and then press escape to leave it centered. And then we'll go back into object mode, and you can see it's got a nice bend there, and then also the same for the y-axis. But you'll notice that Z has the same problem as before, and that's because we need to add loop cuts in the other direction. So let's go back and edit, press Ctrl R, and add some loop cuts in the other direction. And then we can go back into object mode, and then we'll have the nice bend in all directions. There is another way you could do this by using an additional modifier. So let's go ahead and delete this object. Press Shift A, choose Mesh, Cube, and under Add Modifier, we'll choose Generate this time and do Subdivision Surface. We'll choose Simple and increase the count by a little bit. We'll go to Add Modifier again, choose Deform and Simple Deform. Just make sure you switch it to bend like before, and then you can choose your angle and which axis you want to bend on. And if you want higher definition on the curvature, you could just increase the count over here for levels viewport, and then it looks quite nice like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.